Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Unlinked on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get into the video. So we're going to be using the download application for this. We're doing it in two steps. So the first step is going to be ensuring we have developer options on so we can install unknown apps and install apps from unknown sources. After that, we're going to use the download application to download in step 2, and we're going to download Unlinked using the code. Install it to the device, and that'll be for the video. So head over to settings with me for step 1. So I'm going to go to my Fire TV under about, and this Fire TV stick 4K button. I want to click on this 7 times. This will give you the permissions to have developer options. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now you have developer options. At this point, you'll find this developer options setting here, and if you turn this on, if it's off, make sure you turn it on. And now that you have it on, you can download apps from unknown sources, you can install apps from unknown sources, and also you can download and install unknown apps. So now that's settled, step 1 is done, so we'll move over to step 2. Now I need you to help over to download the application. So I'll just go to applications, and then that's my apps and games. I'll go to download the app. I have a video showing you how to download and install downloader on Firestick. So if you have not already, check out that video and you know how to download the app. I have a video showing you how to use the app. So we're going to use a code to get Unlinked. It will be 10381. I'm going to go to this top bar, the pound icon, so I can put in a code. So I have 10381. So that's a code we're going to use for Unlinked. So as I've typed the code and put it in, it just stay for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, I'm redirected. So that's redirection happening. Downloader is going to take up the download and begin to download the app. So it'll show me the progress bar, and that will make me understand that the download has started. I just need to wait for the download to complete, and I'm good to go. Alright, now we are 3.6 megabytes out of 3.9 and climbing. Download is on its completion. Download is about to complete, and I'm about to see downloader take over this download in terms of installing. So the download package is good, the APK is good. Unlinked is about to be installed. So I'm expecting a pop-up, and then right there I'm giving this install button to click. So from there, Unlinked is going to be installed to my device. I have to do nothing else. I'll just sit back, relax, and it's installed. From there I can open the application and begin to use it straight away. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found that useful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.